morning students. Today I am going to explain how to find the domain of a function which is in the form of f of x is equal to p of x by q of x. Okay. Yesterday we solved some questions how to find the domain and range of some functions, right? So today what I am going to discuss here, f of x is equal to p of x by q of x. If a function is in the form of rational function, a function is a rational function, then how to find the domain of the function? How to find the domain of this functions? Okay, so I am going to discuss about this type of functions. Just to see here, one question is given to us. What is the question? Right. Find the, it is example 21. Okay. Example 21. What is given here? Find the domain of the function. Find the domain of the function. The function f of x is equal to x square plus 3x plus 5 by x square minus 5x plus 4. X square minus 5x plus 4. If the function is in the form of p of x by q of x, then find the domain of this function. What we have to find? Domain of this function. So domain means how can you find? I already given the formula. If the function is in the form of p of x by q of x, rational form, then the denominator must be not equal to 0 not. So to find the domain, here also what we have to do? To find the domain, what we will take here? This denominator must be not equal to 0. To find the domain, what we will take? Let x square minus 5x plus 4 is not equal to 0. Take x square minus 5x plus 4 is not equal to 0. Okay. So now, why it is not equal to 0? If suppose the denominator will be 0, denominator will be 0, what it will be? So, some value by 0, not defined. The function is we are getting, not defined we are getting. Right? So, compulsory, what must be? Denominator must be not equal to 0. So, to find the domain of this function, domain means values of x only. Domain means nothing but values of x only. So to find the values of x, here what we have to do? What we have to do? Denominator must be not equal to 0. Okay. Now it is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Actually not equal to 0 is okay. It is okay. It is quadratic polynomial or quadratic equation. So solve this one. Solving means what you will get here? You will get x values or not? Yes. So how it will be? 4 into x square coefficient 1. 4 1 is a 4. 1 into 4 4. Now 4 we have to split. Okay, 4 we have to split. That means how it will be? 1 into 4, 4. 4 plus 1, 5 only. So factors, as factors. 1 into 4. Minus is there, no? So, what is that one? Minus 1, no? Minus 4. Okay, minus 1 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus. 1 into 4, 4 only. So, minus 1, no? Minus 4. Minus 1, no? Minus 4. Minus 5. Yes or no? Yes. Now, this will how we will write? X square minus 4x minus x plus 4 is not equal to 0. So from these two terms, what we can take into common? X minus 4. From these two terms, minus 1 I am taking common. X minus I am taking common here. What will be left here? This plus minus will be there. Minus 4 is not equal to 0. So x minus 4, x minus 1 is not equal to 0. Okay, then what will be? This implies x is not equal to, sorry, x minus 4 not equal to 0 or x minus 4 not equal to 2. Okay, so x is not equal to 4 and x is not equal to 1. So here x is not equal to 4 we got and x also is not equal to 1 we got. That means you cannot take x value 4 and you cannot take x value 1. Okay, if you take x value 4 or if you take x value 1, substitute here 4 square 16. Substitute in denominator. Substitute at denominator. 4 square 16 minus 4 into 5 20 plus 4. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 minus 20, 0. So denominator is we are getting 0 not. So that is why compulsory what we cannot take here. What we cannot take? You cannot take x value 4. You cannot take x value 4. And if you substitute 1 also, 1 square 1 minus 5 into 1, 5 plus 4. 4 plus 1, 5 cancel 0 we are getting. Okay, that is what is the meaning of this one. If you will take x value 4 and 5, 4 and 1. If you take x value 4 and 1, then this denominator is compulsory value, you will get value 0. the denominator you will get value as 0. If you will get denominator 0, compulsory what is that? What that must be? It is the function is not defined. You cannot take. Not the function is not the compulsory. What is the function? It is p of x by q of x form it is. So it is a rational function. Yes. So to find the domain compulsory, the denominator must be not equal to 0. So if you take 4 and 1, you cannot. Then the denominator must be 0. That is why don't take 1 and 4. X values you cannot take 1 and 4. That is what values you can take. Except 1 and 4, you can take any real number. Except 1 and 4, you can take any real number. Except means this 1 and 4 you cannot take. 1 and 4 you cannot take. Except this 1 and 4, you can take all real numbers. You can take all real numbers. Okay. So that means what is the domain? Domain of given function is. That means you cannot take 1, you cannot take 4 also. So except 1 and 4 you can take all the real numbers. Actually what is the real numbers? R or not? So from R what we have to subtract? If you will take R, in R 1 and 4 also is there. So that 1 and 4 you cannot take. That is why what we have to do? We have to remove from R values 1 and 4. We have to remove the values 1 and 4 from R. Okay, just write it. 1, 4. R minus 1, 4. R minus 1, 4. So why it is R minus 1, 4? If suppose if you take R, in R what is there? 1 is there, 4 also will be there not. So that if you take 1 and 4, this function denominator is not equal to 0 we are getting. That means not defined. The function is not defined we are getting, but it is wrong. That is why, so you have to take all the real numbers except 1 and 4. Which values are giving the denominator is 0, those values you cannot take. Those values we cannot take. So what those values? 1 and 4. So remove from R. R minus 1, 4. So it is the domain of the given function. Understand? Yes. So same like this, one more question is there. So the results I will explain. Just see. Okay. So these questions we have to solve like this manner. And one more question is given. What is that? Find the domain of the function. The first is actually miscellaneous exercise. From miscellaneous exercise, that question number 3 is. Okay, yes. F of x is equal to what is given? X square plus 2x plus 1 by x square minus 8x plus 12. This is also same. Find the domain. Find the domain of the function. Here also what is asking? Domain of this function is asking. Now what I told you, to find the domain, what will take? Denominator. Let x square minus 8x plus 12 is not equal to 0. Take this value is not equal to 0. Yes. So it is not equal to 0. Then what will be? Here what will be? It is quadratic equation. So solve that one. So 12 into x square coefficient 1. 12 into 1. 12. So 12 we have to split. 12 we have to split here. So how it will we have to, the factors either may be adding or subtraction. What we have to get here? 8 we have to get. Yes or no? Yes. Then what will be? What will be? 12 means how can I write? 6 into 2. 6 into 2. So you can write as 6 into 2. 6 2 is 8 or not? But here minus is there. So minus 6 minus 2. Right. So minus 6 into minus 2, 12. Minus 6 into minus 2, 12. And minus 6 minus 2. If you are adding these two, what will get? Minus 8. Okay? So like this manner we have to write. Yes. So now this minus 8x. How can you write now here? X square minus 6x minus 2x plus 12 is not equal to 0. Right? So from these two terms, what will take common? X. So x minus 6. From these two terms, what will take common? Minus 2. Right? So x plus, from plus I am taking minus common. So here minus will be there. From 12, 2 I am taking common. 6 will be there. Is not equal to 0. Next, x minus 6 into x minus 2 is not equal to 0. Okay, so this implies x minus 6 not equal to 0 and x minus 2 is not equal to 0. Okay, so x is not equal to 6, x is not equal to 2. Here, if you take x minus 6, then this denominator will become 0. So you cannot take 6. if you will take x not equal to 2, actually you cannot take, okay, that is the meaning of this one. If you will take x equal to 2, then this denominator also we are getting 0. So that is why these two values you cannot take. These two x values you cannot take. Except these two values, you have to take all the values, all the real numbers. So what is the domain? So domain of f of x is, what is that one? Real number set R minus, you have to take all the real numbers except 2 and 6. So those two numbers I am subtracting from R. Okay, R minus, what I am subtracting? 2, 6. 2, 6. Understand? It is about this type of questions. Important. Okay, remember. Next. About linear function. Here two questions are given about linear function. I already explained about what is linear function. I have given the definition. Right? What is linear function? A function f from R to R. A function f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to mx plus c for all x belongs to R. X means x comes from domain. Okay, for all x belongs to R. Okay, see, a function f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to mx plus c. Mx plus c. Okay, is called linear function. Is called linear function. Understand? Remember this one. So I already told you yesterday only. I had explained about this one. See, suppose f is a function from R to R. F is a function from R to R defined by f of x is equal to x square or not? F of x is equal to x square. So if you take x value 1, 2, 3 and so on, what will you get? F of 1 is equal to 1. F of 2 is equal to 4. F of 3 is equal to 9. F of 4 is equal to 16. F of 5 is equal to 25. That means f function how will you write here? F function how will you write? 1 comma x value 1. F of 1 value 1. So this value what will write? 1 comma 1. Next 2 comma 4. Next 3 comma 9. Next 4 comma 16. Next 5 comma 25 and so on it will be. Like this you will write or not? Just observe carefully. Or else you will write like this also. It is x value. What is this one? F of x value. It is x, f of x. X means here 1 or not? So 1 comma f of x value 1 or not? F of 1. This 1 what will write? F of, see 1 value f of 1 or not? F of 1. Okay, next 2 means x value. F of 2 value 4. So 4 means what we can write? F of 2. Are you understanding or not? Yes. See. Next 3. 3 comma this value 9 means what we write? F of 3. Next 4 comma f of 4. Next 5 comma f of 5. And so on you have right. That means second value, what is that one? Second value. In this order page, second value is image or not? Or range element or not? Range element, how you will write? How you will write? F of the range of 1 only this value. See, 1 is the range of 1. 4 is the range of 2. So 1 is the range of 1. That is why that value you have to write f of 1. F of 1 value. 1 you write f of 1. Next 4 you write f of 2. Okay. 9 you write f of 3. 16 you write f of 4. 25 you write f of 5 and so on. Okay. It is x. It is f of x. Whatever the x value you take, that value f of 1. Okay. It is 2. F of 2. This value. F of 1 value. F of 1 value 1. It is 1 only. F of 2 value. F of 2 value 4. It is 4. It is f of 3 value 9. F of 4 value 16. F of 5 value 25. Either like this you can write 1 f of 1, 2 f of 2, 3 f of 3, 4 f of 4, 5 f of 5. Like this you can write, or else you can write this value also. F of 1 value 1, f of 2 value 4 also. Like this also we can write. Okay, remember. Why I am explaining like this way? Because here one function is given, linear function. What is the linear function here? Linear function. F of x is equal to which form it is? Mx plus 1. F of x equal to not 1 here, mx plus 3. Here m and c are constants, or m and c are real numbers or coefficients. Sorry, constants. Okay, remember. Now here, what is the question is given here? What is, it is example 20. Miscellaneous example 20. Okay, yes. F is equal to, let F is equal to 1 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 0 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma minus 3. Okay, be a linear function. This function is given, what is given? Be a linear function. Linear function. Yes. Then linear function from z to z. Then find f of x. Then find f of x. This f of x is asked. That means what is given here? F is a function. Function from z to z is a linear function. F is a linear function from z to z. Linear function from z to z. Then find f of x. Then find that linear function. We have to find the linear function. Yes. So just observe here. It is given that it is a function. Given a function, right? Yes. So which function is linear function? Just observe here. It can be written as f is equal to, just observe carefully, this one how can I write? See, f of one value, x value 1, f of one value 1 only, 2, this is f of x value, f of x means f of 2 value. Are understanding or not? Here, this value how can I write here? X values are, what is x values here? 1, 2, 0, minus 1, right? And f of x values, what is f of x values? 1, 3, minus 1, minus 3. So how can we write this one? F of 1, f of 1 value, x value 1, it is f of x value, right? So f of 1 is equal to 1. Next, f of 2 equal to 3. F of 2 equal to 3. Next, f of 0. F of 0 is equal to minus 1. Next, f of minus 1 equal to, f of minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Like this manner you have written. Now only I explained. Actually this one no need to write. To understand I explained that much only. Okay. Here see. This value what we can write? It can be written as f is equal to, just to see, 1 comma, what is the value? F of 1. Okay. F of 1. Next 2 comma, 3 means f of 2. Understand? Next 0 comma, what is minus 1? F of 0 value. F of 0 minus 1. Okay. Next here, minus 1 comma, f of minus 1. This is only, see. 1 okay, x value, f of 1. F of 1 value only, 1 only. This is 1. Right? 2 comma, f of 2 value 3 here. F of 2, 3. Next 0 comma, f of 0 value minus 3. F of 0 value minus 3. Minus 1 comma, f of minus 1 value minus 3. F of minus 1 value minus 3. Like this manner we have to write. Remember. Okay? Yes. Now, just take here. Linear function is asking, function f of x is asking. That function is linear function or not? Yes. But clearly, the given function is a linear function. So, that linear function what are they? Like that linear function f of x is equal to. Now only I have given that. What is linear function from? mx plus c. Okay. Now from this onwards, what is that one here? X values are there. X values are there. Here corresponding f of 1, f of 2 values are there. Also are there. Now here what will I take this value? Take any 2 points and substitute in this equation. Okay. Here what would this equation we have to find? This linear equation we have to find. That means to find here what values we have to find? M value, c value we have to find. To find this linear function, what we have to find here? M value, c value we have to find. So that values we have to substitute here. Okay? Yes. So to find this m value and c value, what I am doing here? Now, say see. Here x value, what is that one? X, it is f of x. Right? So see here, substitute x value here. That x is equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to m into 1 plus c. M into 1 plus c, right? At x equal to 1 means this value. Okay, but f of 1 value, what is that one? F of 1 value 1 only. And but f of 1 is equal to 1 only. Then what will be this? 1 is equal to mx plus c. Take this as equation 1. Okay, so mx plus c, m plus c, m plus 1. Okay, and take one more value. Take, I am not taking this order pair, I am taking this order pair. Take 0 here. Yet at x equal to 0, at x equal to 0, what is that one? Substitute here. F of 0 is equal to m into 0 plus c. So that is equal to c or not? F of 0 we got. F of 0 is equal to c. What is f of 0 value? Here, f of 0 value minus 1. So, but f of 0 is equal to minus 1. Right? So, what about this value? Minus 1 is equal to c. So, that means c value what we got here? C value what we got? Minus 1 we got or not? Yes. C value minus 1 you got. This value substitute in equation 1. Substitute c is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. In equation 1. Then what will be? Then 1 is equal to m. C value minus 1. So, minus into plus minus 1. This minus 1 transfer is said. This implies m is equal to 2. Minus 1 transfer is plus 1 plus 1 2. M is equal to 2. M value 2 you got. And C value minus 1 you got. Then the required linear equation is, what is the linear equation? F of x is equal to linear function mx plus c only. This m value c value substitute here. So f of x is equal to m value 2 x minus 1, c value minus 1, 2x minus 1. Understand? So like this manner we have to substitute. Nothing is easy. As well, this is also no need to write. This is also no need to write. You can write directly. Right? Directly means what is that one? It is x f of x. So first to take x any two order pairs. No need to substitute all the order pairs. Take any two order pairs. First order pair I am taking here. X value f of 1 it is. Okay. F of 1 value 1 only. F of 1 value 1 only. Remember. So x value 1. Substitute here 1. Let the required linear function I am taking as f of x is equal to mx plus c. F of x equal to mx plus c. Okay. Now at x equal to 1 I am taking. Okay. 1. So f of 1. Substitute here. F of 1 is equal to m into 1 plus c. So m plus c not. M plus c. F of 1 value 1 only. F of 1 value 1. So f of 1 value 1. Then what about this equation? M plus c is equal to 1. M plus c is equal to 1. Equation 1. Take this as equation 1. Next, take at 0. Take at x is equal to 0. At x equal to 0, what is this function? F of 0 is equal to m into 0 plus c. So c value. But f of 0 value minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to c. So c value minus 1 you got. This c value substitute in equation 1. Then you will get m value. M value 2 you got. So the required linear equation will be f of x is equal to mx plus 1. So m value you got, c value you got. Substitute here. You will get that linear equation. Understand? Like this manner, how to find this type of question. And like this, one more question is there. I will explain that is also just see. Same like this, one more question is given. Where it is given? Question number 8 from miscellaneous exercise. Question number 8. Okay, 8. What is given? F is given. The function f is given that. Same question is given, I think so. 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, and minus 1, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 3. Okay, same question. Same question is given here. Okay, but here is given linear function y equal to mx plus c form is not given. A and B, in A and B is given. Just to see. Okay, it is a function from z to z. Function from z to z. Okay, defined by that f of x is equal to, all f of x is given. What is that one? Ax plus b. Ax plus b. Okay, now find a and b. Find a comma, same question, but in that question what we have taken? Y is equal to mx plus c we have taken. That means f of x is equal to mx plus c we have taken, right? But here what is given? F of x is equal to ax plus b is given. That question, this question both are same only. Okay, same. I will solve same like that only. Just see. First, what I am taking here, given that it is given. F is a function. F is a function. Okay. From z to z is defined by f of x is equal to x plus b. Find a and b. Okay. Now what I told you, it is x. It is f of x, right? It is x. It is f of x. It is x. It is f of x. It is x. This value is f of x. Now first what I am taking here, I am taking this value as 1. Okay. Now first I am taking this first order pair. First I am taking this order pair. What it is? At 1 comma 1. At 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1 means it is 1. 1 means it is x. It is f of x. X means 1, you know? X means 1. It is f of x means x value 1. What is that one? F of 1. F of 1. So at x is equal to 1. F of x value 1. F of x means 1 only. F of 1. F of 1 value 1. X value 1. No? F of 1 value also 1. Okay. Now here substitute here. Then substitute what will be? F of 1. X value 1 I am taking. X value 1 I am taking. F of 1 is equal to a into x value 1. A into 1 plus b only. So f of 1 is equal to a plus b only. Clear? F of 1 value? F of 1 value 1 only. So 1 is equal to a plus b. Take this one as equation 2. Take this one as equation 2. Okay. Next. At one more order pair I am taking. 0 comma minus 1 I am taking. Don't take this one. Okay. It is very easy. If you take this order pair, it is very easy to calculate. Okay. That is why take 0 comma minus 1. It is x. It is f of x. X value 0. This value is f of 0 value. F of 0 value minus 1. So then what will be? F of, substitute here. F of 0. X value 0. F of 0 is equal to a into 0 plus b. Right? This value will be b only. F of 0. F of 0 value minus 1. So b value what we got? Minus 1. This b value substitute into. Substitute b is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. Then what will get? B value minus 1 substitute in equation 2. Then what will get? 1 is equal to a minus 1. B value minus 1. Plus or minus? Minus 1. Okay. So this minus 1 transfer this side. Plus 1. Plus 1 plus 1 2. So a is equal to 2. So a value 2. B value minus 1. Then what he has to do? He has only a value and b value. Hence a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1. A value and b value he has. Okay. So like this manner we have to find these type of questions. Okay. Remember, important question it is. That is why I have explained about this one. Right. Next, 2 more questions are there. I will explain those 2 questions also. Okay. I will explain those 2 questions also. Just to see. What is that one? Miscellaneous exercise. First question. In miscellaneous exercise, first question. What is given? The relation f is defined by. The relation f is defined by f of x is equal to x square and here 3x. If 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. If 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. Just observe carefully. Okay. It is the function f. Function f, how it is given? 2 functions is given. When we have to take this function f of x equal to x square, when we have to take the function f of x equal to 3fx. When we have to take it? When we have to take means see, if x value is between 0 and 3, including 0 and 3, then f of x is equal to what we have to take? X square we have to take. F of x equal to what we have to take? X square we have to take. Are you understanding here? It is splitting function. The function is split into 2 parts in 2 different ways. What is that one? That is depend upon x values only. Depend upon x values only. If x values between 0 and 3, x values between 0 and 3 and including 0 and 3. That means x values, what is x values here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, not 4, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. For these 4 values, what is f of x? F of x equal to x square. F of x equal to x square. Understand? Yes. If suppose x value 3 and 10, between 3 and 10, including 3 and 10 also, equal is there, no? That is there. So what is x value here? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. For these values, what is the function f of x we have to take here? 3x we have to take. 3x. Just to see how we will write. So it is about this function. What is asking here? This function and the relation g is defined by. Actually, it is not a function is given. It is a relation given. Okay. The relation f. The relation f defined by, and one more relation is given. The relation g defined by g of x is equal to. This is also is given. What is that one? X square. Here 3x. 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. Okay. It is one relation. It is another relation. It is relation g. Relation f. It is relation g. Okay. So g also what is that one? For x values between 0 and 2, including 0 and 2. Why? Because equal is there, right? Then what is g of x we have to take? X square we have to take. Okay. Next is for x values 2 and 10, between 2 and 10 and 2 and 10, g of x what we have to take here? 3x we have to take. Okay. What is asking here? These two are the functions given. Okay. Show that f is a relation and g is not a relation. Show that f is a relation, g is not a relation. We have to show that the relation f is a function. Sorry. Show that f is a function, g is not a function, not relation. We have to prove that this relation is a function. This relation is function. This relation g is not a function. We have to prove that one. So that means you know what is the definition of function. What is the definition of function? If you write in order pairs, first element must not be repeated or not. Or else every element of first set, there exists a unique image in second set. Or one and only one image in second set. Yes or no? Yes, that is the definition of function. Now here see, this one how I am writing here? F of x is equal to x square and taking. When you will take x square? When you will take x square? Here, for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Okay? Yes. So it is f of x equal to x square. Next, f of x is equal to what I am taking? 3x I am taking. When? For x values between 3 and 10, including 3 and 10. Understand? Then this function how can I write? Function f is equal to, right? Order by form. Take x value 0. Substitute here. F of 0. Take 0. F of 0 value 0. Okay. Next, take x value 1. Take x value 1. F of 1. F of 1. 1 square 1. Take 2. Take 2. F of 2. F of 2. 2 square 4. Okay. Take 3. 3 means f of 3. F of 3. 3 square 9. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3 I am taken. Then we got this order pairs. Next take above 3. 3 and above 3. 3 to 10. Take 3. You have to take f of x equal to 3x or not? Take 3. So f of 3 is equal to 3 into 3. 9. 3 comma 9. Next take 4. 4 comma. If you will take values, x values between 3 and 4, you have to take f of x equal to 3x. Okay, now take 4. 4 means f of 4. 3 4 is 12. If you take 4, 12. If you take 5, 5 3 is 15. If you take 6, 6 3 is 18. Okay. If you take 7, 7 3 is 21. If you take 8, 8 3 is 24. If you take 9, 9 3 is 27. If you take 10, 10 3 is 30. Just observe carefully. Here see, 3 comma 9, 3 comma 9, how many times came here? 2 times came. Actually, no need to write 2 times. You have to write only 1 time. 3 comma 9, 3 comma 9, order by 2 times came here. From this one also you got, for 3 it is 9, for 3 also it is 9 only you got. From this function you got 3 comma 9, 3 comma 9. That means same order pair you got 2 times. But no need to take 2 times. Take only once. Okay, yes. So now just observe here. Is this function is this relation is a function or not? Is this a relation of function or not? Clearly, you can say that it is a function. Why? Just observe first elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all limits are not repeated or not? No element is repeated. No element is repeated means compulsory what is it? It is a function. I already told you, if the function will be written in order pair form, so if any first element is repeated, then that is not a function. If first element is not repeated, then that is a function. Okay, is first element repeated? First element is not repeated. These order pairs both are same only. So that is why I am not taking this one. Only one time only I am taken. Okay, so first element is not repeated, so it is a function. So clearly, or hence, f is a function. F is a function. So like this manner we have to find. Next, what is g of x? G of x also. See, I will write the function g of x also. See what is g of x is given here. G of x is equal to x square is given. When? For 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. X value is between 0 and 2, including 0 and 2. What is the function of g of x given here? X square. Next, g of x is equal to given. What is that one? 3x is given. For 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. Okay, here also same. Find the function g here. Find the function g. First take between 0 to 2 elements, including 0 and 2. If you take 0 and 2, including 0 and 2, what will get here? G of x equal to x square. Okay, first take x value 0. 0, g of 0. 0 square, 0. Okay, take 1. G of 1, 1 square, 1. Take 2, 4. Over? Take 2, 4. It is over. Next second function. Here 2 to 10 we have take. Take 2 here. Take 2 here. 2 3 are 6 we got. Okay. Next take 4 here. 4 into 3, 12. Okay. Next 5 into 3, 15. Next take 6. 6 into 3, 18. Okay. 18. Next 7. 7 into 3, 21. Next 8. 8 into 3, 24. Next 9. 9 into 3, 27. Okay. Next 10. 10 into 3, 30. It is function g. Just observe carefully. Is this function, is this relation g is function or not? Is this relation g is a function or not? Just observe carefully. Just to check that first element. 0, 1, 2, 2. You see, 2 having image 4, 2 having image 6. That means same element having 2 images. Same element 2 has 2 images. So then what is it? First element is repeated or not? See, these are both are not same. Both are not same. First element only same. Second elements are different. Then what is it? According to the definition of function, it is not a function. Why? Because every element must be has only unique image only. Only one image only. Okay, but 2 has 2 images. 2 has 2 images. Hence, G is not a function. Clearly, G is not a function. Because 2 has 2 images. 2 images 4, 6. 2 has 2 images 4, 6. That is why this g is not a function. Okay. Next. It is about this question. Next, one more question is there. That was the last question from this chapter. So, what is the question? Very easy question. We have to simplify that much only. Okay. What is given here? F of x is equal to x square. It is question number 2. Question number 2 from miscellaneous exercise. Okay. So find, what is asking? Find f of 1.1 minus f of 1 by 1.1 minus 1. This value is asking. Okay. So this value only we have to find this value. Here what is given? F of x is given x square. F of x value what is given? X square. So now here what we have to find? We have to find this total value. To find this total value, f of 1.1 we have to find, f of 1 we have to find, and we have to substitute here. Here denominator 1.1 minus 1. From 1.1 subtract 1, it is 0.1. there is no problem at all here. Okay, you have to find this value and this value, you have to substitute here. First, what I am finding is given that this value is given or not? This value is given. Next, what I am taking here? F of 1.1 I am finding. 1.1. So here 1.1 whole square. 1.1 whole square. 1.1 is what is that one? It is 1.21. 1.1 whole square means multiply. If you want to multiply 1.1, 1.1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Right? 1, 2, 1. Here after 2 values. 1.2. 1.21. Remember that. Okay? Yes. Next, f of 1 also you have to find. F of 1. F of 1 means 1 square. 1 only. F of 1.1 value we have. F of 1 also we have. Now, substitute here. Now, f of 1.1 minus f of 1 by 1.1 minus 1. F of 1.1 value 1.21 minus f of 1 value 1 by 1.1 minus 1. 1.1 minus 1 means 0.1. Okay, subtract here. 1.21 minus 1 means 0.21 by 0.1. 0.21 by 0.1. Now here what I am doing here? 0.21 or nothing? 0.21. If you multiply by 10 and divide by 10 here, multiply by 10 divided by 10 here, this value will be becoming as 1. You will get this value 2.1. Okay? Yes. So multiply by 10 and divide by 10 here, what will be, this point will be comes to here 2.1. This value will be comes to here. So 1. So finally what is the value? It is 2.1. So it is f of 1.1 minus f of 1 by 1.1 minus 1 is value equal to 2.1. So like this manner we have to find this type of questions. Okay, remember. So it is about this chapter. It is about this chapter relations and function. Listen, one information I am going to give here. What is that one? If you are not understanding how to find the domain and ranges, so leave that questions, no problem. Leave them, no problem. Okay? Why? Because that domains and finding domain and range is little bit difficult. Why? Because you now only recently you came from 10th class. That is why you cannot understand that questions deep properly. If you are not understanding, let them, no problem. Those will not ask in your board examination also. Okay? Okay? Just what you have to do, if you are not understanding, let it be. In second year, again we will discuss these all topics. Find the domain and find the range of functions. At that time you can understand clearly. Why? Because secondary means almost first year you will learn properly. Then you will get an idea what is functional, what is that images properly. Then at that time you can understand clearly. Okay, that is why if you are not able to find, these how to find domain and how to find range, just let them leave. Okay, you can understand by the year of first year also. By completion of the year of first year you can understand easily. Now you are not understanding, that much of maturity is not there, that is why you cannot understand. Okay, it is about this chapter relations and function. So by today I am going to finish this chapter. It is about this chapter, and this weekend I am going to conduct examination, objective examinations only for 20 marks from this chapter only, relations and functions. Okay, yes, prepare well and write well.